Mailchimp customer journey tutorial. Mailchimp for beginners. Hi there, you guys. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Mailchimp and how you can create your Mailchimp customer journey. So it's a feature of Mailchimp. For us to get started on this feature, I have here the help side of Mailchimp, and it basically talks about anything that you need to know. And let's go ahead and talk through it. So, how is creating a customer journey useful? It helps you create unique automated marketing workflows for your contacts. It's right over here. And use customer journeys to add tags, send targeted emails, and accomplish other important tasks for you. So, from the word itself, customer journey, it's basically an automation of a process from um, creating or generating a lead down to promoting your products. So it's basically your customer's journey automated, so you don't have to put in additional work. You'll just have to focus on what's important and let Mailchimp do its job for you. Okay, in this article, let's learn how to create a customer journey. But before you start, it says here that you'll have to know these things before you begin the process. So, depending on your pricing plan, you may have limited access to customer journey tools. So, yes, to learn more, check out our pricing page. To change your plan type, visit the plans page in your account. So, there are some points, some things that we can actually access because I'm only under free plan as well. So, let's go about it the way we can actually do it. Next is to learn more about customer journeys, how they work, and your pricing plans capabilities. Check out about customer journeys. Let's check this out. Next, our pre-built journey maps use default starting points along with default rules and actions. To learn more, check out use pre-built journey maps. And this article shows you how to build a customer journey automation. To learn more about the other email automation tools, check out create a classic automation. So there's also a classic automation. Now let's try and see this. All right, about customer journeys. Okay, it's also, yep, it's also just like, yeah, but it has a lot more information now. Let's try and understand more about customer journey, things to know. We already talked about this right here. You should be aware of what plans you have. Okay. Now, when you try to build your own customer journey, you'll come across these terms. And of course, these terms, when you're a beginner and you're a first timer, it's really hard to wrap your head around this. That's why I'm here, you guys, to help you out. And I hope that I'm doing my best to let you guys understand what these concepts are. First is, of course, the customer journey. It's an automated route that consists of different interactions a contact will trigger as they move through it, carving out their own unique path based on what they do or don't do along the way. All right. So this is a customer journey. It's an automated route like we were talking about a while ago. It's actually um it's there. You don't have to put in the work. It's going to be Mailchimp's job to do it for you. And one action can trigger another action. It depends on what your customer or your potential lead will do. So it's basically like an interactive type of game on your TV. Like when you choose to do this action, you'll be like given this option. If you do this action, you'll see this stuff on your screen. So basically, its goal is to generate customers, to convert leads to successful sales. Next is the customer journey map, a visual representation of all the possible paths a contact can take in a customer journey. So let's check out that right here. Okay. All right. Click automations icon, then choose customer journeys right over here. This is the tab that you'll need to click on when you're actually gonna make one. Let's click that. All right, customer journeys. I'm not sure it's not loading up or what. My internet connection is fine. Okay, let's try and wait for it to load up, you guys. Or let's just open it, the link on new tab. There you go. It's loading up like it's supposed to. All right, so next, yes, we already did this. Click this customer journeys, and I don't see. Oh, here we go. Customer journeys. Now we're here. It says you click create from scratch. Let's create from scratch. And next, enter a name of your journey. Then click the drop down menu to choose an audience. All right, so our journey would be hmm, welcome new users, something like that, or new customers, maybe. Yeah. And we can start building now by clicking that button. All right. Okay. All right. So now click start building. We're done. And we are already here. All right. Choose a starting point. So choose a starting point. Okay. So let's go back to the guide right over here. Click start building. Good job. Now that you've created a journey, you can add starting points, actions, and rules that will determine each contact's path. To do this, you'll plot these points on a customer journey map. So this is the map. This map will help you visualize how contacts move along different paths. Okay, let's go back to the keywords right over here. So the customer journey map is what we're going to see after we do this. Next is the starting point. So what is a starting point? It's an event or action that adds a contact to a journey. So let's start to choose what starting point we want. Tag added, signups, or birthday. Okay, birthdays, I think you'll have less opportunities for this one because each one of us only has a birthday once a year, right? So what if let's try to use tag added? Okay. Now create a new tag or choose an existing one. All right. Since we chose tag, let's try to choose an existing tag. Maybe let's try if someone is like tagged with men's clothing. So we'll be targeting men because streetwear. Our store is going to be streetwears. All right. Okay, we're done adding the tag. So what's next for us to do is to Okay, now that we've created this map will help you visualize. So we're supposed to see the map right now and it's right over here. Okay, explore customers' journeys. This is what we can't do since we're just under free plan. So I think we cannot explore everything that the journey builder offers. So let's just go ahead and check this out. So this is how the map will basically look like. So this is your filter, right? Or I mean, this is your, yeah, the trigger or the tag of some sort. And then after that, there's a certain like a timeline and stuff like that that will actually track what your customer does online. And yeah, it's for me, it's really cool. Next is the journey point. The journey point, what is a journey point? Okay, so the journey point is right over here. Where is it? Yeah, starting point. Next is journey points. Add journey points. You'll have to do it as well after you add your starting point. And I think I'm going to stop there after I talk about what journey points is. So it says here journey point is any rule or action that follows a starting point in a customer journey. You'll plot this on your journey map based on the interactions you want your contacts to have with your business. And after that, you'll have to make a rule and an action. A rule is a type of journey point that defines how and when a contact moves along a set path. An action, a type of journey point that tells our system to perform a specific task like send an email or add a tag when a contact reaches it in their journey. So basically, um the journey point is yeah, it's a starting point of a customer journey. And you'll plot this. All of these. You can plot all of these, and basically once you're done plotting, Mailchimp will be the one to execute them. So it's an automation feature that's really useful when you're trying to save time, actually. And you can add in, yeah, click a journey point in the side panel to add to your map right here. All right. So there are a lot more that you need to learn when you're trying to build up like a yeah, like this, when you're trying to build something like this on Mailchimp. And I think it's really important to invest your time to learn more. Yeah. So I'll end this video right here, you guys. And I hope this video has been helpful, even though our time is limited. Let me know down in the comments below what I missed. And thank you for your time watching the video. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.